Here we have our UV stabilized PVC wire strainer. Now, the first thing to notice is this wire strainer is clear. So the really good thing about this is that you can see the media going through it. You can also see when your filter's getting full. Now, a few things to note. These are what we call solvent weld ends. So they're an end that goes on the pipe that you need to use pipe glue for this connection here. Now, they're also true union. So true union is this part that unscrews here. So you can glue this onto your pipe and leave this on here, then you can independently screw this back on later. Now, there are some seals used in here, they're EPDM, so just need to make sure that your media is compatible with EPDM, otherwise it will attack the seals. There's also a polypropylene strainer element inside it. Now, if you look on the side here, I'm not sure where you can see that, you'll see an in and an out. So this is the direction of flow. Your flow will come in here, down through your strainer, any suspended solids or anything that's larger than what the filter element is will get caught, and then your media will go, keep continuing back out. Ideally, you have your strainer down like in this sort of orientation here. The reason for that is when it comes time to clean it, you can unscrew the bottom here, like so, all the way out, and then you can pull your strainer element out, give it a good clean, and then put it back in. So all your dirt will be sitting down on this way. The strainer will work in other directions as well, but you don't want your dirt to fall back into the line. So you can have it sort of sideways. That's very common in steam because they don't want the scale to continue down. But obviously this being PVC, you wouldn't be running steam through it. It's most likely an inert liquid or a gas. They'll do 0 to 10 bar in pressure range. And they are UV stabilized as well, which is a differential to most others out there.
What is the material for the rubbers?
EPDM. So yeah, that's the one thing you need to. Obviously, pretty much PVC is inert to most chemicals and things like that. But what you do need to make sure you take into account is the elastomer, and the elastomer is the seal inside, which is EPDM.
What temperature is the media good up to?
That's a good question. You don't want to be running high temperatures through here. EPDM itself, we don't really push too high, especially as a sealing agent. You really want to be only running ambient temperatures through this. If you want to run something high temperature, you're best going to one of our metallic strainers.